exploring the drawbacks of hybrid cars.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hybrid cars. While these vehicles have been lauded for their fuel efficiency and reduced emissions, they also come with a set of disadvantages. Understanding both sides of the coin can help you make an informed decision if you're considering a hybrid for your next vehicle.
What is a hybrid car?
Hybrid cars are vehicles that combine an internal combustion engine with an electric motor. They offer a compelling mix of improved fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and a smoother ride. But while these benefits are significant, it's also important to consider the potential drawbacks before deciding if a hybrid is right for you.
What are the high initial costs?
The first and most significant disadvantage of hybrid cars is their high initial cost. Hybrid vehicles typically cost significantly more than their traditional gasoline counterparts due to the expensive components such as batteries and electric motors. Although hybrids can save money over time through lower fuel costs, these savings might not offset the higher purchase price for all drivers, especially those who don't drive very often.
What about battery replacement and disposal?
Another notable drawback is the cost and environmental impact of battery replacement. The hybrid car's battery, while designed to last a long time, will eventually need to be replaced, which can be quite costly. Furthermore, disposing of old hybrid batteries can have environmental implications, as not all parts of the battery are recyclable.
What's the deal with limited driving range and performance?
While hybrids do offer improved fuel efficiency, they may not always deliver the same performance or range as gasoline-powered cars. The electric motor in a hybrid car typically isn't as powerful as a traditional engine, which could mean slower acceleration and lower top speed. Additionally, for plug-in hybrids, the electric-only range might be limited, which can be a drawback for longer trips without convenient charging options.
Are there maintenance and repair concerns?
Hybrid cars have complex systems combining electric and gasoline engines, which means they might require more specialized, and potentially more expensive, service and repairs. Not every mechanic is trained to work on hybrid systems, which can limit your options for maintenance and repairs. Despite the many advantages hybrid cars offer, it's crucial to consider these potential drawbacks when making a purchasing decision. High initial costs, battery replacement issues, performance limits, and potential maintenance concerns are all factors to weigh. Remember, the right car for you will depend on your unique needs, preferences, and driving habits. Thanks for joining us in this exploration of hybrid cars.